Myanmar is our homeland. But we Rohingya people can do everything.
Yes.
Still our head is empty, right?
Yes.
We have to do. We have to be strong. No one will give our rights. Organization, every organization, I want to say one thing. First, let me make it clear. Myanmar is our homeland. Myanmar is our homeland. We are citizens of by birth. Lots of people citizens of by birth, not by favor. We are not beggar of justice. We are not asking charity, food. We don't need anything. We can do. We are strong than more than everyone in this world. We are just. They are not just allowing. They are not just given in their control. But we Rohingya people can do everything. Like others people did. Like others people hope. We also hope more than like them. We demand justice, dignity, and the freedom that was stolen from us by the government, by the Burmese government. We are Rohingya. We are guarantee of non-repetition so that no child, no girls, no mothers, no fathers, no family will ever face what we face through this. Still our hand is empty, right? Still our hand is empty. We are justice. We are